to due to a welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to short platform board this Stepford Connect service to LyIn by the Sea. Change here for on board this Stepford Connect service to LyIn by the Sea. We will be calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, as Faymere, Westercoast, Millcastle Racecourse, Millcastle, West Wyvern, North Shore, and LyIn by the Sea. The next station is Financial Quarter to Whitney Green, Airport Terminal 3, Newry, Morganstown, Dom Street, Greensleigh, Connolly, Esterfield, Farley.
Board this waterline service to change here for service Esterfield. On board this waterline service to please mind the gap between the train. Rosedale Village. Change here for services to board this waterline service to Esterfield. Change Eden Quay, Faraday Road, West Benton, Cambridge Street Parkway, Airport West, James Street, Farley, Rosedale Village, and Esterfield. Next station is Change here for services to Berrily, Beechley, Leighton City, Willowfield, West Wyvern, Airport Terminal 3, Stepford Victoria, Stepford Central, Leighton West, Stepford Airport Central, Edgemead, St Helens Bridge, LyIn by the Sea.
This Stepford Express service to on board this Stepford Express service to Sea, LyIn by the Sea. Call at St Helens Bridge, Benton, Ellesmere Junction, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Coast, West Wyvern, North Shore, LyIn by the Sea. Change here for trains to Carnally Bridge, Farley, Beechley, Willowfield, Aslockby, Whitefield, Connolly, Greenslade, Port Benton, Stepford Victoria, Stepford UFC, Leighton West, Millcastle Racecourse, James Street, Esterfield. Come on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 3. All at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Ellesmere Junction, Morganstown, Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1, and Airport Terminal 3. Change here for trains to Carnally Bridge, Willowfield, Aslockby, Slade, Port Benton, Stepford Victoria, West, Millcastle Street, and Field.